Hi, I'm Gerald, product manager at MultiTaction. I'm here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and I want to show you our product showcase, which is here at the back. It's running on our UNB displays. Our displays use a very special technology. We use 32 cameras for each LCD, looking through the LCDs, and this is where we can do a lot of special things. With these kind of cards, we can get up special menus, any content you want to connect with markers. Basically, it means you can connect content with objects as well. It's an extremely fast technology, and with this software we can really use the technology to put a lot of extra stuff on it, like you touch things and a lot of interactive things happen where you can browse through, put them away, close them again. And other ways we can do easy, we can show, for instance, video inputs over full screens if we want to do presentations, or just get a video up over the full screen. If you want to know more about our product, go to our website, www.multitaction.com.